Toddler Learning Time TV.
One, two, three, four, let's count a little more. 5, 6, 7, 8, counting up is really great. 9, 10, 11, 12, counting fast, oh what a thrill. 13, 14, 15, go, let's keep counting nice and slow. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 comes, oh what a scene. 21, 22, 23, 24, keep on counting, let's do more. 25, 26, 27, 28, learning numbers feels so great. 29, 30, let's all cheer, more numbers are coming near. 31, 32, 33, counting up is fun, you see. 34, 35, 36, 37, numbers take us up.